Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by logging in, use your ID badge or manager code so transactions are attributed to you. Next, confirm the till float amount, for example $50, and organize bills by denomination. This prevents counting errors later. Power on the POS, make sure the network icon shows connected, then open the sales application and sign in. Once done, run a quick test transaction or drawer open to verify the printer and drawer function. This saves time and catches problems before customers arrive. You scan each item or enter the PLU manually when scanning fails, and apply discounts and sales tax as required so totals are accurate. For payments, select cash, card, contactless, or gift card. Follow prompts for chip insert or contactless tap and request signature or ZIP when the terminal asks. Once payment clears, hand the customer their receipt and bag items, then mark any layaway or special order notes in the system. Make sure to explain return policies aloud. This reduces confusion, and when a sale finishes and your shift ends, run the end of shift closeout. Print the Z report, count the till by denomination and reconcile totals against the report so discrepancies are found immediately. Secure cash in the safe and log any deposits or variance explanations in the register notes. Backup electronic logs if required, then sign out of the POS. If something goes wrong, like the drawer not opening, check power and network, reset the terminal. And if unresolved, call your supervisor so funds and records remain protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.